Hey guys, we're back with another video. But instead of the usual fitness and exercise guides, today we're going to give you a general fitness and health tips video, which you can then apply to your daily life to make sure that you spend each day happy and satisfied. If you aren't satisfied with where you are right now and want to cause a drastic change in your life within 4 weeks, then this one's going to be useful for you. So be sure to watch until the end. Let's get into it. Number 1. Weightlifting. Lifting both heavy and moderate weights is one great way to increase your muscle mass, conditioning, and tone, and also get rid of excess weight while you're at it. Exercise also helps you increase the efficiency of your metabolism. Building up your bone density and body strength is going to ensure a good quality of life as you age. Number 2. Fast intermittently. Fasting intermittently is one great way to lose weight and visceral fat because it makes you eat fewer calories and it also boosts your metabolism. It's a great method to increase your quality of life and reduce gut toxicity and inflammation. If you exercise regularly, fasting intermittently while sticking to your exercise routine is going to help you lose weight faster and more effectively. Number 3. Prepare a proper meal, not a lesser one. Your meals should contain proteins, whole foods, carbs, and most importantly, lots and lots of vegetables. Always structure it to have the highest amount of vegetables, followed by proteins, some fats, and moderate carbs. Proteins and vegetables are the most essential nutrients your body needs to be healthy and for you to build a good physique. And this is why it's so important for you to take in enough of them daily. Number 4. Eat fiber-rich foods. Fiber is another nutrient that you need to change your life. It absorbs excess water and slows down the passage of food through your gut, both of which aid proper digestion of food and accumulation of nutrients. This also delays the emptying of your stomach and makes you feel full for longer. This will ensure you consume fewer calories since you will be most likely to eat less, which is a good thing for your weight. You can get fiber from fruits like avocados, oats, and blackberries. Eat as much of these things as you can daily. Number 5. Avoid added sugar. When shopping at your favorite supermarket, try to check every label and watch out for added sugar content. Make sure it is 0 or extremely low. Nowadays, manufacturers hide added sugar content between alternatives like maple syrup and coconut sugar, and they claim that it's healthy. Although these alternatives are better compared to white sugar, it's still sweetened and you should avoid consuming such products. Number 6. Walk more. Just taking your dog out for a walk or going on an evening stroll to feel the wind between your hair might be doing you more good than you think. Walking has huge mental health benefits, which are even more effective when you listen to your favorite artist or podcast as you walk around your neighborhood. Walking is low intensity. You don't need any gear or have to pay for a gym membership to do it. Just keep a mental note and set a time and you're on your way to changing your life. Number 7. Perform some high-intensity interval training. High-intensity interval training, also known as HIIT, is one great way to get your body into awesome shape. The trick here is to perform at your peak within the high-intensity period, and then take a break before going at it again. Try and perform HIIT training at least 20 minutes for 2 to 3 days a week to improve your endurance and physique. Number 8. Drink water. You've got to keep yourself hydrated not just during your workout or exercise session, but also for your body to function optimally. Aim to drink at least 3 liters of water daily, excluding beverages. You can take some coffee or herbal tea to keep yourself hydrated as well, but make sure that you steer clear of any sugar-filled drink. Focus solely on water and herbal beverages. Number 9. Sleep more. Sleep is the body's way of recharging and getting ready for a new day. In this modern world, we glorify working well into the night at the expense of a good night's sleep, but sleep is a very important key to unlocking the door of good health. Getting 8 hours of sleep daily can help reduce stress, boost your recovery from stress of performing exercise, and improve your productivity. Number 10. Chew your food properly. When eating, take your time to chew your food properly and savor the taste, sound, and texture before swallowing. Don't rush to eat your food even if you're starving. Furiously eating promotes bloating, gas, and irritability, which can make you uncomfortable on a good day. Give these tips a shot and watch your life take a drastic turn for the better within a month. We're sure that you're going to come back here and thank us for what we told you today. Thanks for watching, and leave a like if you found the video helpful, and subscribe for more fitness tips. And leave a comment down below and let us know your thoughts.